Hello friends, welcome to my channel Homeschool Fun. Homeschooling isn't about no schooling and just enjoying at home, or homeschooling doesn't mean making a school at home. So today we'll learn some very basic but very interesting maths activities that you can do with your children, and they can learn the basics of maths in a very easy way, in a way that goes directly to their head, but in a fun way. So it's like art or craft with play with learning. So where learning will meet fun. So let's join this and do our maths activity. So check it out.
So here I have taken form sheet of different colors. This is thick. You can take thick paper too, but form sheet is very sturdy and durable. So from that I've cut this different shapes: heart, rectangle, circle, square, triangles, like that. Different shapes from different color form sheet paper. Now how we will play this game? Let's see that. I have taken this thick sheet of paper and wrote numbers of sums on it, and easy sums, of small numbers like this. So let's see in this 2 plus 4. So we will take 2 hearts, and now you have to add 4. So we will take 4 of the other shape, like here I take square, 4 squares. So 2 plus 4 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 2 plus 4 will be 6. So the kid will very easily know the concept of addition. Let's see another one, 5 plus 1. So here I take 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I go 5. Yeah, 5 plus 1, 1 triangle. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So easily we will learn maths in this. Now on the other side of this same sheet I have done minus. So it's 2 in 1 purpose. Simple minus maths or sums. So 4. I have taken 4 minus 4. So we'll take 4 pieces of rectangle. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and take away 4. So what remains? Nothing. 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Let's see one more. Here, 3 minus 2. So I take 3 hearts, and then we have to take away 2 from that. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. So in the previous one we saw plus and minus. Now we will do some multiplication. I have taken a paper. I am taking a purple simple craft paper and another colored paper. We need 2 of them. So this another colored paper is orange, and I'll cut a big rectangle piece from that, like this. And now in the circle one we need to make grid. So first I will do a plus sign and then a multiply sign, so we get different parts of it, right? And I will take the measurement of the paper according to the size of the child. So now in the middle, right in the center, you write the number of whose tables you want to learn. So right now I am doing 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, like that. And then you write it in pen so that it can be clearly visible. So here I have written the table of 3, right? And then you can outline the portion so that the child can know where distinctly he can know the numbers, like that. Now on the paper, first you have to stick the middle part so that it looks like it's a watch and the child can wear it. So I stuck it right in the center and then wrote the table of 3. But I have not written the answer. The child will write the answer. Saying this, watch. So the watch is ready for the kid. So the bonus is that we play Ludo like all of you, but we use gems instead of counters and do some fun maths while playing the game. And then at the end result, you eat the counters.
So I hope you like this video. So please do give a like, share, subscribe, and do tune in for more such fun videos and lots of DIY activities, learning and homeschooling ideas. See you next time. Bye bye.